Hey YC, I am Chianli.
I am Zach.
And I'm Alex.
So us three, are the founders of the CNC Company. What we do is exactly what it sounds like. We make CNCs. Specifically, we make very affordable CNCs because we are makers, and there's nothing more in the world that we'd like to see than other people making things, preferably with things that we make.
Now, we've learned a lot about CNC technology through our experience with Rutgers University and constructing things for our engineering projects. And in that experience, we've learned a lot of the good and the bad principles in designing CNCs. And what we want to do is take those best principles and construct an MVP by March 31st, which is both highly affordable and very effective.
Now, before we were building CNCs, we were building high-powered rockets. In fact, we founded the first high-powered rocketry group over at Rutgers. And in doing so, the first year was entirely driven by us. We're working out of our houses, garages, someone else's warehouse, and we were just putting in all the effort entirely ourselves to build it up to where it is today. Now, although we've just gotten the ball rolling with the CNC company, we're confident that our past experience will let us face any challenge that we may encounter.
All right.